Hola, travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, Travel Tips and Tricks. I'm your guide to exploring Spain. Spain, a country known for its diverse culture, vibrant festivals, and mouth-watering cuisine, is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. From the flamenco dancers of Andalusia to the surreal architecture of Barcelona, Spain promises a kaleidoscope of experiences. Remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more travel updates. Now, buckle up as we dive into the heart of Spain. Spain is a treasure trove of iconic locations waiting for your footprints. Let's embark on a journey through the 20 must-visit places in this vibrant country. At number 20 we have the ancient city of Toledo, a UNESCO World Heritage site known for its rich history soaked in numerous cultures including Christian, Muslim and Jewish. This city has witnessed the rise and fall of multiple civilizations, and the remnants of these can still be seen in the city's architectural mosaic today. Next we move on to the enchanting Alhambra in Granada, a palatial fortress that encapsulates Spain's Moorish history. This architectural gem was built during the dynasty, showcasing the intricate details of Islamic art and architecture, elevating the city's cultural significance. The 18th spot is taken by the Great Mosque of Cordoba, an architectural marvel that blends Roman, Islamic and Gothic styles. This mosque was initially a Roman temple, then converted into a Visigothic church, before finally being transformed into a mosque, illustrating a beautiful blend of cultural transitions. At 17, we have the lively city of Valencia, home to the futuristic city of arts and sciences. Number 16 is the beautiful Balearic island of Mallorca, a paradise for beach lovers. Coming in at 15 we find the historic city of Salamanca, famous for its golden sandstone buildings and vibrant student life. 14 takes us to the island of Tenerife, where you can explore the Teide National Park. As we reach lucky number 13 we hit the sands of Costa del Sol, a haven for sunseekers. At 12 we have the stunning city of Seville, famous for its flamenco dancing and the impressive Seville Cathedral. Number 11 is the vibrant city of Bilbao, home to the modernist Guggenheim Museum. We're in the top 10 now, and at number 10 we find the beautiful city of Zaragoza, known for its stunning Basilica of Our Lady of the Pillar. 9 is the charming city of Santiago de Compostela, the final destination of the famed Camino de Santiago pilgrimage. At 8, we have the picturesque region of Andalusia, filled with whitewashed villages and olive groves. 7 takes us to the stunning Costa Brava, with its rugged coastline and crystal-clear waters. At 6, we find the historic city of Girona, famous for its well-preserved medieval architecture. 5 is the vibrant city of Barcelona, home to the iconic Sagrada Familia and Park Güell. 4 is the stunning island of Ibiza, renowned for its lively nightlife and beautiful beaches. The top 3 are the bustling cities of Madrid, Valencia and Barcelona, each offering a unique blend of tradition and modernity. And finally at number 1, we have the magical city of Barcelona, a place where the old and new coexist in harmony. From the bustling streets of Madrid to the serene beaches of Costa del Sol, Spain never ceases to amaze. No visit to Spain is complete without indulging in its delectable cuisine. Let's embark on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Spanish cuisine is a delicious blend of fresh ingredients, vibrant flavors, and a dash of Mediterranean flair. Here, food is not just a meal, it's a celebration of life. First on our list is the iconic paella. Originating from Valencia, this hearty dish is a symphony of flavors. The combination of saffron-infused rice, a medley of seafood, and a hint of smokiness from the wood fire creates a unique taste sensation that is quintessentially Spanish. You'll find the best paella at local markets or seaside restaurants, where it's cooked in gigantic pans over an open fire. Next, let's delve into the world of tapas. Tapas are small plates of various Spanish dishes designed to be shared. From succulent olives marinated in herbs to patatas bravas drenched in spicy tomato sauce, each bite is a revelation. You can enjoy tapas at any local bar or taparia, where they're often served free with a drink. Remember, the key to enjoying tapas is to take your time, savor each bite, and enjoy the convivial atmosphere. Finally, we can't talk about Spanish cuisine without mentioning churros. These deep-fried dough pastries, dusted with sugar and served with a side of thick, rich chocolate for dipping, are a sweet lover's dream come true. Whether you're strolling through the bustling streets of Madrid or winding down in a cozy cafe in Seville, you'll find churros on every corner. So, whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious traveler, Spanish cuisine offers something for everyone. It's a gastronomic adventure that takes you through the heart and soul of Spain, one bite at a time. So, make sure you give your taste buds a Spanish treat. Equipped with the right information, you can make your Spanish adventure even more memorable. Let's dive right into the essentials. When it comes to currency, Spain uses the euro. It's always a good idea to carry some cash, but most places accept credit cards. For the best exchange rates, consider withdrawing cash from ATMs rather than using currency exchange booths. The best time to visit Spain? Well, it largely depends on your preferences. If you love warm weather and beaches, aim for the summer months. But if you're more into cultural experiences and wish to avoid crowds, spring and fall offer mild temperatures and fewer tourists. Spain is renowned for its festivals, with each region having its own unique celebrations. Some of the most famous ones include La Tomatina in August and Las Fallas in March. These festivals can cause a surge in tourism, so plan accordingly if you wish to partake or avoid the crowds. Spain's climate varies by region, but generally, expect hot summers and mild winters. The south tends to be warmer than the north, so pack your suitcase accordingly. Looking to stay on a budget without compromising on comfort? Spain offers numerous budget-friendly accommodations. From cozy hostels in the city center to affordable vacation rentals in picturesque towns, there's something for everyone. Safety is paramount. Spain is generally safe, but like anywhere, it's important to stay vigilant. Avoid walking alone late at night in unfamiliar areas and always keep an eye on your belongings. Respecting the local culture is key. Remember, the Spanish like their siestas. Many shops close in the afternoon for a few hours, so plan your shopping accordingly. Also, avoid speaking loudly in public spaces and respect the local customs and traditions. Armed with these tips, you're all set to explore Spain like a pro. Now, for the cherry on top, here are some insider hacks to make the most of your visit. First and foremost, Spain is a late-night country, so don't be surprised if you see families with kids at restaurants past 10 o'clock in the evening. Embrace the Spanish schedule and you'll find the streets buzzing with life until the wee hours. It's all part of the Spanish charm. Next, if you're in a city like Barcelona or Madrid, consider investing in a city tourist card. This card not only provides free entry to major attractions, but also offers unlimited travel on public transportation and even discounts at restaurants. Speaking of public transportation, it's the best way to navigate Spain's cities. It's cost-effective, efficient, and gives you the real feel of local life. But remember, during peak hours it can get quite crowded, so plan your day accordingly. For those who love shopping, Spain has a unique tradition called siesta time, when many smaller shops close for a couple of hours in the afternoon. So schedule your shopping spree either in the morning or late afternoon to early evening, and don't forget to check out the local markets for some unique finds. Foodies, listen up. When in Spain, tapas are a must-try. But did you know that in some regions like Granada you get free tapas with your drink at bars? Now that's a delicious deal. And lastly, don't forget to learn a few basic phrases in Spanish. Not only does it make navigation easier, but locals appreciate the effort and it often leads to more authentic interactions. Plus, it's the perfect opportunity to add another language to your repertoire. Remember, Spain is not just about the tourist hotspots. It's about the culture, the people, and the lifestyle. So immerse yourself, go with the flow, and make the most of your trip. With these hacks, you're not just a tourist, you're a savvy traveler. That's our guide to making the most of your trip to Spain. We've walked you through the top 20 must-visit places, savored the mouth-watering local dishes, and even delved into the currency details. We've outlined the best times to visit, along with the major festivals that you might want to plan your trip around. We've given you a heads up on the predominant climate and shared some budget-friendly stay recommendations. We've also talked about safety, which is paramount, and highlighted some things you might want to avoid doing to respect the local culture. Lastly, we've shared some insider hacks to help you truly make the most of your visit. Remember, every journey is unique, and the real joy of travel lies in creating your own unforgettable memories. Don't forget to share this video with your friends planning to visit Spain. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and until next time, happy travels.